Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make this amazing duck breast. Look how beautiful they are. They are very crispy, smelling amazing. They are soft as butter and it's extremely easy to make. Doesn't require that you are a 5-star chef or you know the kitchen. It's really easy to make it and you can just put it in the oven and you don't really need to pay attention to it. And you will get these beautiful ducks. Perfect for any holiday, for any Christmas dinner, or if you just want to celebrate during this time of the year with a really high-end and easy to make dinner, then this video is for you. If you're new to my channel, I do videos just like this one and I share my weight loss journey with keto and intermittent fasting, and occasionally I do some product review. If you like what you see here, then hit the red subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any of my videos, especially the holiday season. You need your duck breasts, and what you do, you turn them ups and down and you stab them with the fork a few places like this. Yeah, that should be fine. And then you turn them back and then you use a really sharp knife and you just cut into the fat like this and into the other direction so you have some squares. Very good. And then you do the same with the other one, or as many as you have. Very good. And now you use 2 spices, pepper, and just a hint, you don't want to make it too strong. The other side as well. Here you go. Very good. And now you will use salt, Celtic sea salt. It will be in the description box below for you. And you just put salt on both sides like this. And then you turn the breast, put salt in it, make sure some salt goes into the cut as well. You turn it back, a little bit more salt on the other side. Very good. And now this goes into your tray or baking form, and I just place them next to each other and they will shrink obviously. And then we're gonna give them a little bit of water, that the water is half covering the breasts. Very good. And the meat will let extra liquid as well. And now we will cover this with a folia, and now we will cover this fully like this. Very good. And this baby goes into the oven for 2 hours on 200 degrees. Okay, 2 hours is over for the ducks, and I am gonna show you how it looks. We will carefully take away this one. Look at this. We're gonna check it if they are soft, and if they are soft, we're gonna just let them in for another 20 minutes maybe or less, and just make a nice coloration of the top. Okay, so this is how it looks, and I will check it with a fork. It's good. It looks really yummy. And at this point I will just put it in again and only cooking or baking the top so we can get this crispy skin. Alright, so 10 minutes is over. It's beautifully crispy, as you can see. Both of the breasts, it's really nice and soft, and it's just amazing for a holiday dinner. Okay, now we will wait that it's a bit cooling down. I hope you like this recipe. It's really delicious. It's perfect for any holiday celebration or for Christmas dinner. It's just a really high-end and easy to make dinner option. If you like my recipe, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and have a wonderful holiday and see you in my next video. Bye bye.